generation. Though you will not be surprised to see that Chinese worship the dead. Makikita mo yan. They used to light incense, candle. They even burn paper money to send off pangbaon sa namatay. And sometimes they play musical instrument to enlighten the feeling of the family of the deceased. And also, they even hired the talent of a person to join them. I don't know if you have seen the movie The Crying Lady, acted by Chris Aquino. They are hiring somebody to cry with them, to sympathize, to join the family during the time of sadness. And then, in the olden times, the burial day will be chosen by the Feng Shui master as to the time, as to the location. He has to know so that he can exactly prescribe date, time, and the way it is done. Because there are rituals. Like lighting the incense, we need 2 sticks, 4 sticks. Number of pair number, and do prayer, put it to the altar. This is only for the dead. For worshiping for the deity or the Chinese god of earth, god of wealth, and god of mercy, they have 3 sticks or 6 sticks, even a number. So that is how they offer. Of course, there are offering of fruits, offering of half-cooked chicken, fish, without salt, without any ingredient, because they believe with ingredient, ang offer for the dead or for the deity is no longer consumable for them. Hindi na pwede nila makain kasi may ingredient eh. Therefore, it has to have no ingredient. Preferably steam. And the burial, they normally carry the coffin before going to the burial site. They go around the city. Kumbaga sa atin, tawag natin doon? Kampanya. But the word kampanya is Spanish word meant to say company. To be with. Ang sa Chinese, hindi, but they don't use the word company. They use the word as sympathy, something. So before burial, they show it to the public all around the city that now the dead has to be to his permanent place. And the burial site should be higher so that the next generation, the next sibling, will have good fortune, auspicious days ahead. Because for the Chinese, the burial site is very important due to the belief that the next generation carry the fortune of the passed away person, the deceased person, the dead person. They hope to see the generation coming much more prosperous, much more progressive compared to the previous one, compared to the departed one. So, sa taas, why? Mountain is stable. They believe mountain is stable. Unless it's a volcano, it's a different story. Two, it's not flooded. Three, it is fertile. Most mountain has fertile soil. So, it makes good result. Unlike in our Filipino cemetery, especially in our Catholic cemetery, nilalagay lang sa baba. They even bury 6 feet below the ground. So when raining times, nababaha, overflow water, so it affect the buried material or buried things down below. And for Chinese, that is bullshit. That is unfortunate. That is malas. Precisely the reason why they elevate higher ground para hindi mabasa, hindi ma-wet, hindi ma-flooded, and the water will not remain stagnant. So that is the practice they do, which make also good results. I hope I did make a good explanation for listener so that you will understand what I am trying to convey, trying to divulge you anything I know. Thank you so much for listening. Bye bye. Love you all. God bless.